This 2012 Mercedes-Benz CLS550 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. CLS550 4Matic Sport Package Premium Package 4Matic All-Wheel Drive Navigation System Rear View Camera Rear Parking Sensor Shaded Front Seat Spooled Front Seats 4.6L Biturbo V8 Engine 7-speed Automatic Transmission with Trim Interior Keyless Entry Power Exterior Mirror Shaded Exterior Mirrors Power Automatic Windows Alloy Wheels Black Exterior Black Leather Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk the round way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Mercedes-Benz CLS550 Sport 4Matic is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.